let's move to Forex Agotech account, interface, so that we open our account. So the first thing I need to do now is, but I won't open any account here because I already have account. So the only thing is I'll continue from where my account started from. So now I have switched my screen to account that I've opened. But I'll first of all log out from that account. First of all, log out from that account so I can show you something. So if you have not registered, you just come here and say new account. If you have registered, you just come to the interface and do what, and log in. Then there are some mistakes some people are normally make, because if you look on top, you say log in with your username. So that means I must use my username here. If you use your email here, it's going to be giving you problems. So like now, if I click here, if I pick email, log in with email, I must use my email here. I must not use my username. So you can log in or using two different things, username or email. I normally like to use my username. So this is my username. I think I'm right. Yeah. This is my username, and I will give my password that I use when I register the account. I'll put the password there and I'll say login. If you put everything properly, it must log in. If you put something wrongly, it will not wrongly. You can see this is invalid account. Let me see, because I quickly created this account for this class. So let me see what I did wrong there so that we correct it immediately. I need to go to the server. Oh. Okay, let me see. Okay, so let me put it again. Username, login with username, login with username. I'm going to use username. Then my password. No, I think I made a mistake here. My password. Then I will say login. You can see I've logged into my account, and immediately I log into my account, immediately you log in, you are going to see all the software is already on your dashboard for you to use. You understand? Don't mind me, it's like my internet is a bit slow tonight, but it's loading. You see all the software will load. We have edging calculator, MT4, MT5. If you need to select which one is your trading platform. If it is MT4, you use MT4. If it is MT5, you download MT5. But if your account is not, if you are not a subscriber, you can see all this when you register, but you can't be able to download any of these accounts. None of them, any of this software will never download if you are not a subscriber of the account. Now, on the platform. Now, what are the important information you need on this platform? You need membership ID, which is on this account is 9404, or this one that you are seeing here. And during the coding, we make sure we code for you so that it can easily for you to copy. Then you need a membership. If you look at this one, it doesn't have any membership. I'm going to log into my real account during the course of the training. So I'll put my membership here, and I will need my email. You can see my email that I used to register is here. And I put, I've already helped you to put something here for you to copy without any stress. So now the next thing we need to do now is, before you can use or download any of this software, you have to become a subscriber. If you look at it, membership, there's no membership, then I need to click on subscribe. All right, then I will now click subscribe. Now we have this kind of subscription. We have silver subscription, which is $30 per month. We have gold subscription, which is about $150 per year. And we have diamond subscription, which is a live account. And this live account comes with two accounts. You can use two accounts, at a time. One MT5, one MT4. But silver is only one account at a time. Either you're using your MT5 or you're using your MT4. Gold is one account at a time, which is your MT4 or your MT5. So in my own situation, you can click anyone. Let me just click silver. Now, when we click silver, you have to be very, very careful at this level. If your account is MT4, you leave it as MT4. If your account is MT5, you have to come here and click MT5 before anything, then you put your MT5 login detail. You put your MT5 login detail. You can see, input your MT5 login detail. So now, if your account is MT4, you have to use MT4 and you put your MT4 login detail. I'm just going to put any one of this one that you are having here because I'm just using it for practical. Immediately you put your MT4 and your MT4 login detail. You click pay in USDT, which is $30. Then you click pay in USDT. Then when you say pay in USDT, it's going to give you that pay $30 into TRC20 address below. This is address. You just click copy, and this is address you are going to use. Now there are situations here. If you are the one that's living in Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, US, that you don't know anything about crypto, you can talk to me. We have a crypto guru among us, Mr. Adeola Shokoya, our partner from US. He has a crypto exchange company in Nigeria. So what you are going to do is you can talk to me. I will link you up with him. So when you talk to me, I will link you up to him with him. And if you already know him, you just copy your address and tell him, Mr. Adeola, please help me pay in USDT. Then, like, I think 3 or 4 people from US yesterday, they pay him Naira and he helped them fund the account. So once you send your wallet to him and you pay him maybe in Naira or in Rand or whatever, I don't know which account, any denomination, maybe you are in Kenya, he will tell you. So you will not give him your wallet. He will not pay directly to your wallet and your account will be activated automatically. Immediately you do the payment, your account will be what? Activated immediately. So that is how this area, this section is. So I think it's clear to every one of us. So after you do that, you need to leave the interface, and that means you are waiting for Mr. Adeola to help you pay into that wallet, or if you can pay on your own, you pay on your own. If you pay on your own, you pay USDT on your own. Immediately this subscriber button will disappear, and the subscriber button will now tell you that you are a gold member, you are a silver member, or you are a diamond member. And immediately it said that you will see a button under this section. You will see a button that will say generate your token. Now, this is a different from where we are coming from. Last year, we are manual token requester, or what do you call it? You request manually token from me. Some people are getting frustrated. They come, Mr. Fulani, I've sent you these things yesterday. We have moved a step ahead of last year. That is opportunity. That is the sign that we are growing. So now, immediately you pay, your button is there. You just click the button. Then remember that the account number you use is what is registered here. So please don't make mistake when you are paying. You have MT4, then you're going to pay with MT5. That means you are going to create second account. Then I will now manually set it up for you, which you won't mind the delay. Because if you do it right way, 5 minutes you are done. You can see the way we did everything. Then that is how everything is done. And the next thing is, we are now, immediately your account is activated, you can now download any of the software you want to use. If you are the Riff Trader, you can download the Riff Robot here. If you are, and you can download all the presets. For example, now, if I want to download from this account, you will see that it will tell me that I can't download because I don't have membership. So I'm trying to let us see how the response that it will not download because I don't have the membership. So unless if you have the membership subscription, then it's going to download. So not to waste too much of our time, I'm going to switch off this account. Then we go to account that are already registered.